Hello, and welcome to Conscious Mind, Short Meditation. I am Jordi, and today we will embark on a special meditation journey aimed at attracting unexpected miracles into your life. This will be an experience that helps you open your heart and receive the wonders that the universe can bring. Before we begin, find a comfortable space for yourself. You can sit or lie down as long as you feel completely relaxed and at ease. When you are ready, close your eyes and begin to take deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let your breathing return to a natural, gentle, and peaceful rhythm. With each breath, feel relaxation start to spread throughout your body, releasing all tension. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, open to receiving peace, and prepare your mind for the meditation journey we are about to undertake. This will be an opportunity for you to connect more deeply with yourself and with the positive energy in the universe, ready for the miracles that are to come. Now, imagine a warm, golden light appearing just above your head. This light gently shines like the morning sun, full of warmth and love. It slowly begins to descend, enveloping your entire body. As this light touches the top of your head, you feel a deep relaxation, bit by bit, as all tension seems to melt away. The golden light continues its journey, gently moving from the top of your head down to your forehead, eyes, cheeks, and jaw. You feel the muscles around your eyes and jaw completely relax, and all tension gradually disappears. This light moves down to your neck and shoulders, where tension often accumulates. Let this golden light soothe all strains, making your shoulders feel lighter than ever. From the shoulders, the light moves down to your chest, filling your heart with warmth and peace. It spreads down to your abdomen, helping you relax your internal organs, then to your hips, thighs, and knees. Every part of your body is enveloped by this magical golden light, bringing deep relaxation and positive energy. Finally, the light moves down to your legs, ankles, and feet, allowing your entire body to completely relax. Let this golden light continue to spread, bringing you a sense of peace, harmony, and connection with the positive energy of the universe. You are now in a state of deep relaxation, open to receiving all the miracles that may come to you. Now, imagine yourself walking along a path leading to a brilliant light ahead. This path feels familiar and safe, bringing you peace and hope. As you walk forward, the light becomes clearer, and you begin to realize that this is where the miracles start to appear. Imagine wonderful things happening around you. It could be an unexpected opportunity, an encounter with someone who brings you joy and love, or a perfect solution to a problem you are facing. Observe how the miracles appear. Feel the joy and surprise they bring. Allow yourself to be filled with happiness and gratitude, as if the universe is gifting you wonderful presents. Feel every moment of this joy, letting the positive energy flow into every cell of your body. Let gratitude and joy intertwine, creating a powerful flow of energy that helps you connect more deeply with the universe and open your heart to even more miracles. Hold on to this feeling, knowing that you are truly deserving of all the good things that life has to offer. Now, focus on positive affirmations. Repeat in your mind, I attract miracles into my life. I am worthy of abundance and happiness. I open my heart to receive the opportunities and blessings that the universe brings. Let each affirmation sink deeply into your mind and heart, reinforcing your belief that you can attract all the good things. Visualize yourself immersed in love and deeply connected with your life purpose. Feel a sense of overflowing gratitude. Feel yourself surrounded by peace and love. Let this feeling guide you into a deep, peaceful sleep, where all the experiences from the meditation will integrate profoundly into your soul. Now prepare to end the meditation and transition to sleep. Let your body relax even more with each steady breath, leading you into a state of deep rest. You are completely safe, at peace, and ready to continue your journey with the belief that miracles are always present around you. Let sleep come to you gently, knowing that you are on the path to a life full of miracles, abundance, and love.